Look for consistently clean surfaces, no odors, and stocked supplies as immediate signs your restroom cleaning procedure is effective. A reliable procedure starts with a written checklist that sequences tasks by risk level so staff clean higher germ areas first and avoid cross-contamination. Use color-coded microfiber cloths and clearly label them so one set is for toilets, one for sinks, and one for mirrors, and wash cloths at high temperature after each shift. Measure effectiveness by conducting daily visual audits and weekly ATP testing when feasible to quantify organic residue. If ATP testing is not available, use white glove and flashlight checks to reveal dust and grime in corners and under dispensers. Train staff with short hands on sessions that include proper dilution ratios for chemicals, dwell times for disinfectants, and the correct spray and wipe technique to ensure contact time. Post-dilution charts near chemical storage for quick reference. Use a simple log where staff initial completed tasks and note any repairs or supply shortages so managers can spot recurring issues and address them proactively. Rotate deep cleaning tasks like grout scrubbing and ventilation filter checks on a monthly schedule and track completion in a maintenance calendar so nothing is missed. Finally, encourage staff to report odors or client feedback immediately and treat that reporting as quality data to refine schedules and products. Common mistakes include using one cloth for all surfaces, which spreads contaminants. Fix this by enforcing color-coded cloths and laundering them after each use. Another issue is inadequate dwell time for disinfectants, which leaves microbes viable. Solve this by training teams to wet surfaces thoroughly and wait the manufacturer recommended time before wiping. And keep contact time charts visible. The third problem is relying solely on visual checks, which misses biofilm and residue. Address this by adding periodic quantitative testing or more rigorous tactile inspections, and by keeping an incident log to correlate complaints with specific shifts or products. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find job opportunities while giving both sides a place to discuss techniques, products, and experiences. We host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange tips, ask questions, and share reviews to help everyone maintain higher cleaning standards.